Welcome to Equity Business Solutions. Another tax season is on its way, and you must be on the TaxStone marketplace looking for tools that will help you with that tax season that's coming. We have developed tools throughout the last several years that have helped us successfully navigate through those tax seasons at Equity Business Solutions. So we have these tools. Why not offer them on the marketplace for other firms to have access to them? What you see here is our 1040 individual client income tax organizer. We've divided all of our organizers into two main sections, one for the returning client, the other one for the new client. I'll show you how this works. If you're a returning client, you would want to answer this first question as yes. Hit next, and then you'll see what they see. This is how your client sees their organizer. We use conditional logic on all of our organizers when appropriate, hoping that it will eliminate any confusion that they might have, and or could have if we just showed them all the questions, all the potential answers. And this is a great feature that TaxDome offers. The form for returning clients is very short. The reason for that is we're only looking for information that has changed since the last tax season. If they're returning, we have all their information uploaded to our tax program already that will populate when we start on their taxes. So why have them go through each question on every page, even just to review? At the end, on their last page, which you just see now, we have the statement of if you have any further changes, please reach out to your tax preparer so that the preparer then will be able to make note of it. And when they upload all their documentation here, the preparer will look for it. We also give them the option to bring all their documentation to the office, and we'll do that for them. Of course, if our client's in California, we're in Arkansas, that's not going to happen, and I'm sure you'll have that same situation. So let me show you how a new client handles this. They'll answer the question about being a returning client as no, obviously, and then click next, and then they'll get a welcome page. Then they'll have allowed to fill in the blank questions. When they click a year, nothing happens. It just fills in on the organizer that we see, gives us information. Just like when they fill in the blank spots. All their answers will be printed to where you can look at them on their client screen, or you'll receive notice of getting them. Just giving you an example of how everything works. And you can see how our questions are worded. We've tried to be concise at the same time striking a balance of being able to get everything we need. The main reason is we're hoping that that will diminish the amount of communications needed between the preparer and the client and speed up the process. When they get to the dependent page, if they need to repeat this section to add more, all they have to do is click on this button at the bottom. Same thing with other dependents. You can see how our logic works there. And then they can repeat that section as well. Anyone else live at home? They can also repeat it. And if their bank this is information pertaining to their bank. And let me just show you all of the pages that we have, all the titles for the sections, so you can see that we really tried to be extensive on this and complete. All of these work the same with conditional logic. I could show you every question, every page, but we'd be here all day. So I prefer just showing you some of the areas. They can repeat these. No reason to have conditional logic here. Let me pop down to the final page so you can see what that looks like. Again, we have the statement that asks them to upload it. They can also bring it to the office if they'd like to. So that's our 1040 organizer for you to review. If you have any questions, please feel free to send us an email at support@equitybusinesssolutions.com. We also offer some technical support through that same email. Let us know if you buy this or any of our other tools that we list on the marketplace. You can see a complete list of those at the bottom of the listing for this organizer. So thank you very much. I hope you will consider Equity Business Solutions tools and make a purchase and let us know. Thank you.